Welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for the best slow cookers under $100 in 2024, you're in the right place. After exploring the best coffee makers in our last video, today we're diving into the slow cooker market. Slow cookers are incredibly popular, especially for those who enjoy set-it-and-forget-it meals. Whether you're a busy professional or a home chef, these slow cookers provide convenience, flavor, and versatility without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll cover 3 of the most popular slow cookers under $100. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget, and the Elite Gourmet 6-quart electric slow cooker. Let's explore each of these models, discussing their pros and cons so you can decide which one fits your needs. Let's start with the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker, a top choice for many households and a longtime leader in the slow cooker space. This model is known for its simplicity, offering basic manual controls with a high and low temperature setting. One of the biggest advantages of the Crock-Pot 7-quart is its generous capacity, which makes it ideal for larger families or those who like to prep meals in bulk. The 7-quart size can accommodate up to 8 servings, meaning you can easily make a full meal or even meal prep for the week. Another pro is the straightforward design, making it very user-friendly. You don't need to navigate through complex settings. Just choose high or low and let it cook. The stoneware insert and glass lid are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, simplicity can sometimes have its drawbacks. The lack of programmable features like a timer or automatic shutoff may be a con for users who want a more hands-off experience. You need to monitor the cooking time, as the Crock-Pot doesn't automatically switch to a warming mode after cooking. This can be a limitation if you're out for the day and can't return home when the cooking time is done. Additionally, while the manual settings work fine for many dishes, those who want more precise temperature control might find this model lacking. Overall, the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker remains a favorite for its straightforward design, affordability, and ample capacity, but it may not be ideal for those seeking more advanced features. Moving on to the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget, a competitor that brings a bit more technology to the table. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget is popular among those who value convenience, thanks to its digital display and programmable timer. One standout feature of this model is its set and forget programming, which allows you to set the cooking time and walk away, knowing it will automatically switch to a warming mode once cooking is done. This is a huge plus for busy users who may be unable to keep a close eye on their meals. Another pro is the temperature probe, which is perfect for cooking meats. You can set the desired internal temperature, and the slow cooker will adjust the heat to ensure your food is cooked perfectly. With a 6-quart capacity, it's slightly smaller than the Crock-Pot, but still enough for family meals. While the Hamilton Beach offers more features, it has a few downsides. The digital display and multiple settings can be a bit more complicated for those who prefer a simple operation. Some users have reported issues with the temperature consistency, as the device may occasionally run hotter than expected, which can affect certain recipes. Additionally, the locking lid, while great for portability, can sometimes be tricky to secure, and there have been occasional complaints about leaks if not sealed correctly. Despite these minor issues, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget remains a strong choice for those who appreciate a programmable, feature-rich slow cooker that offers flexibility and added control over their cooking. Our final pick is the Elite Gourmet 6-quart electric slow cooker, an affordable option for anyone looking to try slow cooking without committing to a higher price tag. This model is the most budget-friendly on our list and is a solid choice for beginners or those with basic cooking needs. The Elite Gourmet 6-quart has a durable ceramic pot that is easy to clean and can be used for a variety of dishes. It also offers a low, high, and keep warm setting, giving you enough versatility for most recipes. One major advantage of this slow cooker is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to store or move around in smaller kitchens. However, the lower price does come with some trade-offs. The Elite Gourmet 6-quart doesn't have any programmable features or timers, so you need to monitor cooking times closely. Unlike the Hamilton Beach model, it lacks a locking lid, which can make it less ideal for potlucks or transporting food. Additionally, while it performs well for basic slow cooking tasks, it may not heat as evenly as the other 2 models, especially for recipes requiring precise cooking temperatures. This means you may need to stir or rotate your ingredients during cooking to ensure even results. Despite these limitations, the Elite Gourmet 6-quart electric slow cooker offers excellent value for the price and is a good choice for those who want a straightforward, no-frills slow cooker. So which slow cooker is right for you? If you value simplicity and a large capacity, the Crock-Pot 7-quart is a fantastic choice that gets the job done without extra features. For those who prefer a bit more control and automation, the Hamilton Beach 6-quart set and forget is a great option with its programmable settings and temperature probe. Lastly, if you're on a budget or new to slow cooking, the Elite Gourmet 6-quart offers a solid entry point that covers the basics well. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which slow cooker you're considering or if you have any favorites from this list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into another set of kitchen must-haves. See you next time.